Hello children, welcome to maths class. In the previous video I explained you about polynomials, and remember we finished with a question. I asked you, is x raised to power 1 by 2 a polynomial? Now it is the time to answer this question. We are going to learn that x raised to power 1 by 2 is not a polynomial. Let us study why. See, a polynomial is an expression having only whole numbers as exponents of the variables. Means the variables like x, y, z and t, their powers or exponents should only be whole numbers. They cannot be a fraction, an under root or a negative number. Whole numbers, remember, they are 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. No negative numbers, no under roots and no fractions. Let us take a few examples of expressions which look like polynomials but they are not polynomials. 3 root t plus t root 2. Here t has under root on it, means the power of t here is 1 by 2, which is a fraction. It's not a whole number. So this expression is not a polynomial. Y plus 2 upon y. Here the power of y in the second term is minus 1 because y is in the denominator. Hence, this is also not a polynomial. X square plus 3 root x. Again, there is a root on x. So, this also is not a polynomial since the power of x is 1 by 2 and it is not a whole number. So, now you know that a polynomial is an expression in which the exponent of the variable is only a whole number. Right? Now, we are going to study about coefficients. What is the coefficient of a term? Children, each term of a polynomial has a coefficient. Coefficient of a variable is a number which is getting multiplied by that variable. For example, let us take the polynomial x cube plus 4x square minus 7x minus 2. We are going to take each term separately and see what are the coefficients of the different variables. Now, in the first term, the coefficient of x cube is 1 since it is getting multiplied by 1. Coefficient of x square here is positive 4. Coefficient of x is minus 7. And coefficient of x raised to power 0 is minus 2. You can see minus 2 is a constant term. So it has 1 with it and 1 means x raised to the power 0. Another example. Pi by 2 x square plus x. Here the coefficient of x square is pi by 2 and the coefficient of x is 1. Since there is no number with x, so we assume that it is 1 with x. Right? Now I hope you have understood the meaning of coefficient of a term. Next topic is degree of a polynomial. Now children, you can see every term has variable in it. It might be same variable or it might be different. And every variable has a power or you can say an exponent. Now, in the whole polynomial, the highest power of the variable is known as the degree of the polynomial. For example, let's take the polynomial 3x raised to power 7 minus 4x raised to power 6 plus x plus 9. In this, there are 4 terms, right? And in all these terms, you can see the powers of x are 7, 6, 1 and 0 respectively. So, which is the highest term? The highest power is 7. So, the degree of this polynomial is 7. One more example. 5 y raised to power 6 minus 4 y square minus 6. Here, the power of y is 6, 2 and again 0. Which is the highest one? Yes, 6. So, degree of this polynomial is 6. Now, degree of polynomial 5 is 0. Why? Because 5 is actually 5 into 1 or 5 into x raised to power 0. So, there is only one term here and the power is 1 only, which is 0. Right? So, always remember that degree of a non-zero constant polynomial is always a 0 only. Now, I hope you have understood how to find out the degree of a polynomial. Now, on the basis of degree, we have classified the polynomials. Now, classification of polynomials on the basis of degree can be understood by the following points. The polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. Polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. And polynomial of degree 3 is a cubic polynomial. Polynomial of degree 4 is a quartic polynomial. These are specific names given to the polynomials based on their degree. Let us see a few examples. Linear polynomials. Here, the highest power of the variable means x, y or z is going to be 1. There is no term here which has a power 2 or 3, means more than 1. 1 plus x, y plus 5, z minus 3, etc. A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. Examples are x square plus 3x minus 2 or z square plus z or 6 plus y square. Here you can see there will be one term which will be a square, which will be having a power 2. Polynomial of degree 3 means cubic polynomial. Example will be x cube plus 3x square minus 2 or 1 plus y cube, z cube plus 4x. Here you can see that in every polynomial, one of the term will have the power 3. Similarly, whose highest power is 4, that is a quartic polynomial. So x4 plus x cube plus 2x square minus 5. Here the highest power is 4. And t raised to power 4 plus 6. Here again the highest power is 4. So the polynomial of degree 4 is called a quartic polynomial. Please do not confuse quadratic and quartic. They are different, right? Degree 2 means quadratic. Degree 4 means quartic. So now you are ready to solve exercise 2.1 of your chapter 2. Happy learning. Thank you.